Welcome everybody to the ninth video in my personal project product presentation series. And this is me, Siddhant Pandey. And in this video, I will be showing you the model, the final product, which has everything completed and everything is assembled together. So prepare to be amazed. I don't know if you will be. Anyways, here we go. So here is the full Hall of Fame model with every model arranged in it and everything assembled together. Okay, so let's start with Iron Man, my favorite superhero. Okay, so since I already told you that I have not made the helmet, I did try, but that will require another technique, and I will look into that in the future. But anyways, I've still used it. So here is the mask, here's the helmet, and here is the arc reactor. So as you can see that, so that this model is able to hold, so this display case is able to put them in position. I have made a specialized stand for like each of the model. Yeah, so here's Iron Man, and I've also written Iron Man here in the Iron Man movie title font. I downloaded that from the internet, and then here I downloaded that font like long time ago and saved it every other font. And then here's Tony Stark's name, and then the next model is Captain America's shield. Okay, so I have written Captain America's name here, Steve Rogers, and Captain America here, his superhero name, and here's the shield. And as I said that, okay, so you probably can look at the thing from here, the stand I made for the shield, but it's kind of like a bar so that the hand straps could be slided in. And the next model here is for Thor, and here is his hammer, and you can see that how I have just wait no how I have made this thing so that Thor's hammer could stay in place. And there's the engraving on the hammer, and it looks okay. At least from a distance, it looks quite good and really real as it is in the movies. Okay, and here I've written Thor's name and his full name, Thor Odinson, doesn't make much of a difference. And then here's Black Widow's display case. And here are the two set of gauntlets here for both of her wrists. And it has a small stand, and I think that these models look really small in the whole huge display case. I probably just should have made a plinth for Black Widow, just as I have made for Hulk. And here are Hulk's glasses on the small stand here. And now Hawkeye's model. Okay, so here's the bow, and here are three arrows. I just made one arrow and kind of put them in the model three times, and it looks really sharp. I have modeled this arrowhead by myself, and I designed it myself, so it looks really pointy and sharp. And I think if it gets lost in an enemy, it would hurt a lot. Okay, so here's Hawkeye's arrows, and I've also made a specialized stand for those two. Okay, and everything else is same. I just have constrained all the models in the gap, so it fits perfectly, and it does fit perfectly. Okay, so, and yeah, everything else is the same. So that was the Hall of Heroes model, and all the work I've done in my personal project over the last months, since September, October, November, and December. So that's all the work I did in my personal project, and this is the final product, and I was really proud of it, even though not all the models are that accurate or that impressive. But still, I think though they are really good. Since I worked on them, I learned the new software and still made those models. So I think that's good. And I have recognized some of my faults in the models, and I will try to improve them. And I have found some techniques which I might look into in the future. For example, surfacing, because that will help if I'm creating, for example, the mask, or just any other simple, or any other car, or like a structure with complex shapes. Okay, so that was the model, and you have successfully completed watching my personal project product presentation series. And thank you very much. Thank you. Goodbye. This is me, Siddhant Pandey. Goodbye.